Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to use QuickBooks with Stripe. Integrating Stripe with QuickBooks is going to allow you to record payments and reconcile transactions efficiently. So let's get into how to do it. So first, for QuickBooks Online, you want to go to Apps in QuickBooks Online and then search for Stripe and then select Connect. Click Get App Now and then sign into your Stripe account. Next, you're going to authorize the connection and then choose which transactions to import, as well as matching settings for invoices and deposits. For QuickBooks Desktop, you're going to need to install a third-party connector like Sender or Commerce Sync, and then link your Stripe account. Set up automatic syncing for daily imports. Alternatively, you can export Stripe transaction reports in CSV format and then import manually. A pro tip is to create a separate Stripe cleaning account in QuickBooks to make reconciliations easier when fees are deducted. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.